welcome back to On the Road Adventure. We're about a week in now on our motor camping adventure. It's another lovely day in Portugal, provided you don't look at the big black cloud over there. I'm sure a storm's coming. Anyway, we're on for an exotic breakfast this morning.
Yeah.
What's on, Eva?
It's some sort of apple. It's got big seeds in.
Right.
And it's supposedly supposed to taste like banana, strawberry, pineapple.
It sounds like you've been sold the dream in another supermarket.
Well, I just googled it.
Well, I'm excited to try.
I hope it's not going to be like the orange yesterday.
It gave me a chuckle. Did you Google how to eat this, where we can eat the skin or anything?
No.
No, probably should do that. Yeah, and show them that huge papaya we picked up in the shop yesterday.
Oh, I'm waiting for this.
The fruits and veggies here are a completely different ball game here. It's all in another league. It's much better, and it's far cheaper than the UK.
It's been beaten up at the top box a little bit, but...
The size of that beauty. We have noticed, knocking around here in Portugal, that there are no pre-made sandwiches or snacks and things in the supermarkets.
Very little, yeah.
No, people are making their own fresh. And when you look around at the people knocking around, they all look like they're eating well and they're chilled out and they've got time. It looks like a different lifestyle.
I haven't seen a really, really fat person here yet.
Not one, no.
Boy.
I'm telling you, I don't know.
Raining again?
Yeah, it is looking very cloudy over there. Me personally, I'm rooting for an epic electrical storm in the tent.
Yeah.
I would love that. I don't even know how to describe that. It's not like anything else I've tried before.
No.
It's like the texture of coconut.
There must be a better way of eating it.
We should Google it.
Yeah.
We might be doing this completely wrong. It's all right though.
It's a bit like honey.
Well, camping cooking has turned out to be a lot of our work, so we're just eating fruits that we find at the supermarket, which is working really well. Look at this beauty.
I'm definitely going to eat this whole half.
Yeah, we had one yesterday as well, didn't we? But not as big as that.
Small, yeah.
And check out these grapes.
How's your expectation versus reality worked out?
Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that.
It's a classic example.
Man cooking, that is. Not even gone crispy. Kevlar shorts for that guy. I'll tell you what, it is hot, but there's no way I'll be riding around in shorts and t-shirt.
It's very, very hot. I just took my winter lining off, and so did Rich.
That's one nice thing about the Oxford jackets, is it's good in the cold, and then you take all the linings out, the multi-layer stuff. That's made a world of difference. Now I've opened the vents, yeah, it's coming right through. So we are up first thing 4 PM on the bikes. It's been a great morning, isn't it? We've just been sat around basking in the sunshine, feeding the most awesome little birds. Yeah, it's been great doing nothing for a while. Yeah, it's been great, but we thought, as soon as we come all this way, we should probably jump on the bike and go and have a look at the finish marker of the N2. And also there's a really well-known moto club at the end of the N2, Moto Club Faro. So I believe that it's a proper motorcycle club, and they've opened their clubhouse to visitors and stuff, so we're going to go along and have a look. So how hot is it now? Bike reckons 26 degrees.
Mine says 27.
Check out this old abandoned church, look, and somebody's graffitied it all. But some of the work on there is really good. Right, Moto Club Faro. Let's go and have a little look about. Well, we've been saying all along what a friendly place Portugal is. So we came into Moto Club Faro, which is it's a destination, but it is run by a patch club by the looks of it. Sat straight down, grabbed a beer.
A really good one if you're in Portugal.
And within a couple of minutes, we were welcomed by one of the members and asked what we were doing here and what bikes we got and where we come from, and offered to stay in some of the private rooms here as well. They're really friendly, weren't they?
Yeah, amazing. We didn't expect that, would you?
No, that's, yeah. didn't expect that at all.
I did ask if you can book it on booking.com, and they said no, this is only for people who rode here and they need places to stay.
Yeah, but to show that sort of welcome and respect to complete unknown travellers is good.
Yeah, really good.
Well, I can't wait to go inside and have a look around. We had a quick walk through, but we were dying for a drink. It's really hot riding here, so should we go in and have a look? Okay, so for us, this is the end of the N2 road. I know there's an official roundabout with the last mile marker on it, but we would suggest you stop here instead, eh? It's better than a roundabout.
What an end to the trip, to that stretch
just
of
to
a road.
this leg, yeah. If you are in Faro or you come to Portugal, this is a must-see place. These guys are fantastic. Do you know what? I am genuinely sad to be leaving the Moto Club Faro. It's just been amazing here, isn't it? What an experience. Really loved it here.
I'm sure we will be back one day.
I don't doubt it, you know. I think we're going to be regulars here in Portugal.
I think so. Oh, look, that's the president coming.
Here's the president come out to say goodbye, look. What a top bloke. Cheers. What a top bloke. So we dropped in there for a beer some 4 hours ago or something. Yeah, we were showing around the entire club, the members' garage down there, and you know, showing us around the history of the stuff, and it's just an amazing place. Well, thanks again for joining us on the road in Faro, Portugal. Highlight there being Moto Club Faro. Really enjoyed ourselves today, and we have so much more to show you over the coming weeks. So join us again in the next episode.